Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or trolls who clean their floor with no mops while wearing cat heads and using my titles and content. There we go, content in their videos. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. I've already opened it to check to see what it is, and it is kind of a surprise to me because I didn't know this was coming. So someone has sent this to me, and this is Clorox Scrub Singles Heavy Duty, preloaded with Clorox Cleaner. So thank you for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. And people are out on the sidewalk making noise again. So this will be very handy. I already have new sponges I bought, but this says stainless steel, glass, tile and grout, wood, granite, marble, plastic, vinyl, and linoleum. Scratch-free pads, safe on surfaces, powerful cleaning without the hassle. One pad cleans multiple surfaces, strong and flexible. Clorox cleaner inside. So I haven't seen these in the stores in 3 weeks. With everything scrubbable was gone. So I appreciate this muchly. I haven't gotten some other stuff. You'll see that probably next week. So I really appreciate this. All right, got to put this stuff away from the haul video and then go feed the kitties. And then I get to watch my iPad in bed. And I can't watch Amazon. Well, yes, I can. I can get on the Amazon. I can watch Amazon Prime. Spencer Dryer in bed. Yay! When I get too tired of sitting in this chair or I start getting sore, I can watch iPad in bed. You know what that means to me because my knee gets swollen and my feet get swollen and I have to lie down. So and then I will see about paying off the repair for the other iPad, so I'll have 2 iPads, and the trolls can go doubly nuts. All right, and it was a great birthday present to get an iPad from the nice person who sent it to me, and I really appreciate it. God, these people are noisy. That's what I hate about living here, and Kathy's got the same problem. They play the stereo full blast all the time. I said, call the cops. They start getting too noisy. She needs to move. So do I. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay cool and dry, or warm and dry, and stay safe, people. And I'm done for the night. I'll catch you next time. And I wish the hell these people would stay in their apartment and like they're supposed to and not be outside on the sidewalk. All right, bye-bye for now.